Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can use Nexchain AI. In order to do so, here we are at Nexchain.ai, and the first thing that you'll find when you get here is that there is a pre-sale live at the moment. Now, this might not be available for a long time, so just be aware that if you want to get into that pre-sale, head over to Nexchain.ai and see if that is still active. Otherwise, you can find here, if we head to our dashboard, you'll see that we have a few options to consider. First off, you're going to want to connect your wallet. And then on the left-hand side in the menu, you'll see you have a few options here. We have our main dashboard. We can make deposits. We can claim. We have the leaderboard. You have your profile page. You can update your information here, and we also have the referral page, so you can share your affiliate link and watch your rewards grow. So that gives you an idea of how to get started with Nexchain AI. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you will find a link to our link tree. There you will find our top AI tool recommendations, as well as a link to Roamless eSIM. Click on those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we would greatly appreciate it.